Every experience of consolation is a heartwarming one. Nakakagaan ng loob, may kapayapaan sa puso. And I think no one would turn their back from consoling experiences. A simple affection, a word of gratitude from people or to people, a kind gesture, and name it. Knowing all difficulties ahead of us, or even with us now, how are we able to send and even be messengers of consolation to people, to everyone? Our daily duties may be experiences when or where we are asked to be affirmative over matters, over decisions, and even to thoughts. But today, we are led to deepen our affirmation by consoling one another. To send consolation to people nowadays could be everywhere, anytime, and in any place. The network of online connections proved this part. We may have sent direct messages to console people. And sometimes, a simple Bible verse, a simple inspirational quote from an author, a simple word seen in the internet or at the bulletin, and anywhere could be ways of consoling people as well. More than being affirming people, let there be consoling people. St. Paul, in our first reading, did his part by consoling this Thessalonian community about this idea about the resurrection from the dead. He was there to console these people and to help these people enlighten their hearts with his consolation. Jesus, in our gospel today, proclaimed the good news by simply saying that the Spirit of the Lord is upon me. He has anointed me to bring glad tidings to the poor, to proclaim liberty to captives, recovery of sight to the blind, that the oppressed may go free, and a year acceptable to the Lord. A proclamation of consolation. The good news itself. This glad tidings is consolation in itself. We still face a lot of battles inwardly and even externally. Ilang araw na po tayong binabagyo. Sa mga nanonood ng FIBA World Cup, baka napanghihinaan na tayo ng loob sa mga nangyayari. Sa madaming pagtaas ng presyo sa lipunan, baka tumataas na din ang ating kilay at ang ating presyon. And to the many forms of experience today, to the many cross and daily dying happening here and then, we would really need consolation. And may this hopefully be seen through you and through me. Consolation may not only revolve around the sweet words, but to kind people now. Consolation may not only be present through art, but through generous people. Consolation may not only be seen through valuable things, but also from valuable people. Be the consolation the world needs. Be the consolation your dear one needs. More than words, my dear brothers and sisters, May presence speak a lot as a form of consolation. By the mere fact that we are here for each other and we are connected to each other, may this be a new language of consolation and an experience of a rich consolation from people. Not only through words, but from the goodness, but also from the goodness and kindness of people.